Only water, flour, and salt, a delicious and easy recipe. To begin, we'll need 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of flour. Let's mix these ingredients. Guys, here I used 2 cups of flour, but the dough is still soft, so I'm going to add more flour. After a while, we'll need to use our hands. This is how it needs to be. This is the right consistency. Now let's cover with plastic film. Guys, take this moment to leave me in the comments where you're watching us from. I would love to know how far our video got. We leave it resting for 20 minutes. After that, we'll get the dough. Put it on a flour table and roll it out with a rolling pin. When it's like this, we'll use a glass to cut the dough in circles. Then we use a smaller glass to make another circle in the middle. Now let's remove the remaining dough because we can use it to make more portions. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video. That really helps our work. In a pan with hot oil, we'll fry them. I'll put as much as will fit in my pan. This recipe only takes 3 ingredients and it's so good. Let's leave it frying. After frying one side, we'll turn them over to fry the other. One by one. At the end of the video, leave me a grade from 1 to 10. It's very important for us to know what you think. When they're done, we'll take them out with the help of a barbecue stick. Be careful because it's very hot. Let's put them on a plate. I'll fry the rest. And our recipe is ready. I'll eat it with melted chocolate. It's perfect. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Bye-bye.